KineMaster versus KineMaster Pro is the topic today. Choosing the right video editor can transform your content creation without overwhelming complexity. We'll briefly look at KineMaster's free version and the Pro upgrade to see what sets them apart. KineMaster offers a powerful mobile video editing experience for free, while KineMaster Pro unlocks additional features through a subscription. The core difference is access to premium tools, no watermarks, and enhanced export options that elevate your editing capabilities. KineMaster Free is a versatile video editor designed for Android and iOS devices. It provides multi-layer video editing, trimming, transitions, and audio features, making it accessible for beginners and casual creators. The app works by letting you import clips, add effects, and export videos directly from your phone. Its strengths include an intuitive interface and a wide range of editing tools available at no cost. However, the free version applies a watermark to exported videos and limits access to premium assets like effects, fonts, and overlays. It also restricts the maximum export resolution and may display ads. Ideal users are hobbyists, social media enthusiasts, and anyone who wants solid editing features without upfront investment or subscription fees. KineMaster Pro is a subscription-based upgrade that removes watermarks and unlocks the full asset store, including premium effects, transitions, fonts, and music. It supports exporting videos in higher resolutions and frame rates, which is essential for professional quality content. The app maintains the same user-friendly interface, but adds advanced features like chroma key for green screen editing and better control over audio and video layers. While it requires a monthly or annual fee, the Pro version eliminates ads and adds cloud backup options. Limitations include the subscription cost, which might not suit casual users, and the fact that it remains a mobile editor, so it may not replace desktop software for very complex projects. The ideal user is a content creator or professional looking to produce polished videos regularly with access to premium tools and high output quality. Comparing KineMaster Free and Pro shows clear trade-offs. The free version is great for quick edits and learning the basics without cost, but leaves a watermark and limits export quality. This can be a drawback for creators who want a polished, professional look. The Pro upgrade removes these restrictions and adds creative assets and advanced features like chroma key, making it suitable for more detailed projects. For example, a YouTuber wanting crisp, watermark-free videos with custom effects will benefit from Pro. Meanwhile, casual users posting to social media might find the free version sufficient. The subscription fee is the main consideration, so weighing how often you edit and the quality you need is essential. Both versions share a smooth interface and mobile convenience, but Pro clearly targets users ready to invest in higher production value. Choose KineMaster Free if you're starting out or need a budget-friendly editor for simple videos without the pressure of subscription fees or advanced features. KineMaster Pro is ideal for creators who demand professional results, premium assets, and higher export quality. If you regularly produce content and want to elevate your videos with advanced tools, the upgrade is worth the investment for a seamless, watermark-free experience.